Hello students, how are you? I think might be fine. In previous classes we are discussed on sex determination and various aspects of sex determination, various theories relating to sex determination, and in this chapter we came with another concept, that is sex linked inheritance. So before going to sex linked inheritance, first of all we have to understand what does it mean, sex linkage. Now students, this is one of the important long question for the council examination. Already we have discussed that sex determination chromosomal theory or the sex determination in human, birds and honeybee. Now this is another important long question for the council examination, that is sex linked inheritance, by taking hemophilia as an example and color blindness as an example. Okay. Now what is linkage? Here I have written the key concept. First we have to understand the concept of sex linked inheritance. So what is linkage? लिंकेज रे सेक्स लिंक्ड इनहेरिटेंस को जीवा लिंकेज रे कांसेप्ट होची द टेंडेंसी ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ जीन फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर as a whole without segregation retaining the parental combination is known as linkage, and this is the post Mendelian principle. At the time of Mendel or during Mendelism, the linkage concept was not known. It was unaware of the concept of linkage, but Thomas Hunt Morgan, while working on Drosophila melanogaster, pointed out that some genes are linked genes and some genes are non-linked genes. Linkage is the deviation of Mendel's law of independent assortment. Already in some other concept in botany, have studied linkage. So here after Mendel, genes are categorized into two types, some are linked genes, some are non-linked genes. You know Mendel's theory, Mendel's ratio also subjected to so many deviation. There are so many modifications occurred in Mendel ratio, monohybrid and dihybrid, phenotypic, genotypic and test ratio. But test ratio is a universal, and monohybrid dihybrid ratio because of the incomplete dominance, codominance, heterodominance, superdominance. Okay. Epistasis, dominant epistasis, recessive epistasis, complementary gene, supplementary gene. So many deviation to Mendel's law are there which were studied in post Mendelian principles. Now the linkage is the concept of deviation of Mendel's law of independent assortment. You know, when Mendel performed the pea plant experiment, after that three main laws have been postulated. If we say four law of unit character, but three important laws were law of dominance, then law of segregation or law of purity of gametes. Then third one is law of independent assortment. In heterozygous condition, one gene is having masking effect over the phenotypic character of the other, that is called dominant, and the gene which remains suppressive known as recessive. And in law of segregation, that tells that gametes are pure, they will express the character they should be. In spite of the presence of different combination, they will not express the character any other, or that is not contaminated. Gametes will never contaminated irrespective of any sorts of combination. That is why gametes are considered to be pure. And the law of independent assortment tells that after being segregated, each gene independently assorted with each other to have different possible combination in F2 generation. that is based on dihybrid cross. Now, in the concept of linkage, it has been known that it has been experimented that there are two types of genes, some are linked gene and some are non-linked gene. And the linked genes are very close and they are transmitting from one generation to another generation as a whole, in which the parental characters are retained and these are not segregated. That is why the old parental characters are reflected in the offspring because of the linked genes. Now, this linkage is of four type. You can say interchromosomal linkage. Basically, दी प्रकार अच्छी complete linkage and incomplete linkage. आज जेटा मनकर सब कैटेगरी आम डिस्कसन करवा ताले सेक्स लिंकेज इंटरक्रोमोसोमल लिंकेज इफ द लिंक जीन्स completely linked with each other so that they will never segregated during gametogenesis, that is known as complete linkage. If they will segregated at any generation, that is called incomplete linkage. And if the linked genes are present in sex chromosome, that means X and Y chromosome, you know, autosome and sex chromosome. If the linked genes are present in sex chromosome, that is called sex-linked genes. Okay, and if these linked genes are present in between some homologous chromosome, maybe it is known as interchromosomal linkage. So many types of linkage are there. तो let's say concept was sex-linked inheritance. The linked genes present in sex chromosome, linked genes present in sex chromosomes are called sex-linked genes. Okay. So you know sex chromosome contains various types of gene which are controlling sexual character. Although some genes are there which are controlling other somatic character, it does not mean that all the genes present in sex chromosome are actually controlling sexual character. Some genes are controlling the non-sex characters. But those genes which are present in linked manner in sex chromosome, these genes are known as sex-linked gene and the concept is known as sex linkage. The inheritance of such genes, say inheritance जो linked gene sex chromosome रे अच्छी, तार inheritance को कहिबा हमें sex-linked inheritance. Inheritance of genes are known as sex-linked inheritance. Okay, and the genes are known as sex-linked genes, and the character which it expresses known as sex-linked characters. Sex-linked characters, or we can say it sex-linked traits. Trait कौन character कौन? What is trait? Inheritable characters are known as traits. जो character inherit करे, inheritable characters are known as traits. तो sex-linked inheritance concept, gene को कौन दी sex-linked gene, and the character which it influences are known as sex-linked characters or sex-linked traits. Now it has been found out that एटा देखाई प्रायतः एक्स क्रोमोसोम एक्स और वाई क्रोमोसोम कंपेयर करिबा एक्स क्रोमोसोम कंटेन मोस्ट ऑफ द लिंक्ड जीन्स बट द वाई क्रोमोसोम कंटेन वेरी फ्यूअर नंबर ऑफ जीन already I told you Y chromosome contain mostly the gene for maleness SRY region and controlling TDF gene. Okay, and absence of Y chromosome may be developing into feminine characteristics. Y chromosome contain fewer number of gene, whereas the S chromosome contain maximum gene. That is why this sex-linked inheritance also referred to as X-linked inheritance. कारण X chromosome रे अधिक linked gene अच्छी, सेट sex-linked inheritance को कहते X-linked inheritance. Sex-linked genes are otherwise known as X-linked genes. Okay, and the character and traits it influences are otherwise known as X-linked traits, X-linked traits or X-linked characters. Okay, this is the alternate name of the sex-linked inheritance, sex-linked gene and sex-linked characters. And this sex-linked inheritance was studied by T.H. Morgan, Thomas Hunt Morgan in 1910 while studying on Drosophila melanogaster, fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. So student, this is the concept of sex-linked inheritance. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଥମ key point ଟା discussion କଲି, that is concept of sex-linked inheritance. Second point को ଯିବା, that is type of sex-linked inheritance. এই sex-linked inheritance ର type କ'ଣ? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖେଇଛି X and Y chromosome. Just look at the diagram. In this diagram, you will understand what are the types of sex-linked inheritance. See. Here this has been shown two chromosome. One is S chromosome, another one is Y chromosome. These chromosome पे देखैछि X and Y chromosomes. Here I have seen. See. Here this is centromere. It is centromere. Okay. Now in X and Y chromosome, if you compare the X and Y chromosome, one region of X and Y homologous region. This is homologous region. Another region is non-homologous. This is non-homologous region or differential region because it is different. Differential region or non-homologous region, and this is homologous region. Now see, in this region, if the linked genes are present in non-homologous region of X chromosome रो non-homologous region ने linked gene अच्छी. Such genes are known as X-linked genes and their inheritance is known as X-linked inheritance. Inheritance को कौन कौन थी? X-linked inheritance. तो प्रथमटा में लिखिबा तल टाइप रे कौन अछि? What are the types of sex-linked inheritance? Types of sex-linked inheritance. Here first one is X-linked inheritance. Okay. If the linked genes are present in non-homologous region of X chromosome, such genes are called X-linked gene and their inheritance is known as X-linked inheritance. Okay. स्टडी करिबा गोटे होची हिमोफिलिया देन कलर ब्लाइंडनेस आहुरी अनेक एग्जांपल अछि हम दुईटा एग्जांपल नेले as per our syllabus. Second one is Y-linked inheritance. See, if the linked genes are present in non-homologous region of Y chromosome, Y-linked gene, you may say it as a Hollandric gene. Y-linked genes are called Hollandric gene. If the linked genes are present in non-homologous region of Y chromosome, that is called Y-linked gene, and the inheritance of such gene is called Y-linked inheritance. And the example of Y-linked inheritance is hypertrichosis of ear pinna. Hypertrichosis of ear pinna माने कौन? Excessive growth of hair on the pinna. कान रे चुट्टी हेइथि अधिका excessive growth हेइथि सेटा मेल टू मेल को जाए कारण Y chromosome टा मेल रे अछि ना, that is transmitting from male to male or you can say father to son. Hypertrichosis refers to excess of growth of hair on the ear pinna. Okay. Another sex-linked inheritance is XY linked inheritance, that is also known as incompletely sex-linked inheritance. Okay, तो ये जो इनकम्प्लीटली सेक्स इनहेरिटेंस कोठी अछि, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन होमोलोगस रीजन ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई क्रोमोसोम. देखो इंटरक्रोमोसोमल लिंकेज होमोलोगस रीजन ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई क्रोमोसोम. आरटा कही नॉन होमोलोगस रीजन. होमोलोगस रीजन ऑफ एक्स और वाई क्रोमोसोम रे जो लिंक जीन अच्छी ताको एक्स वाई लिंक्ड इनहेरिटेंस, सेटा मध्ये कहती इनकम्प्लीटली सेक्स इनहेरिटेंस. कहीं से गोटे जेनेरेशन ने सेपरेट हो जाई पारे. इट इज इनकम्प्लीटली लिंक्ड इन सम जेनेरेशन. इट मे सेग्रीगेट, ये सेग्रीगेट करि जाई पारे. से जीन को मध्य कहते से इनकम्प्लीटली लिंक जीन आउ गोटे ना अच्छी कहते सीडो ऑटोजोमल जीन. सीडो ऑटोजोमल जीन एटा मन रखियो 1 मार्क आसे. तो एक्स और वाई क्रोमोसोम से जो जीन गुड़ाक अच्छी सीडो ऑटोजोमल जीन. और एग्जांपल होची टोटल कलर ब्लाइंडनेस, out example nephritis, inflammation of nephron, damage to nephron is called nephritis. Okay, तो में टाइप देख ले एक्स इनहेरिटेंस, वाई linked inheritance or incompletely sex linked inheritance. Second concept entirely. Then we'll go to characteristics. A sex linked inheritance of कौन सो धर्म अछि. What are the general characteristics of the sex linked inheritance? Character को देखिबा. See, first important character, ये गोटे सर्ट नोट भी आसे. प्रथम जो कैरेक्टर अच्छी क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस. Characteristics. Okay, one of the important character of sex linked inheritance is called criss cross inheritance. Criss cross inheritance. Okay, the pattern of sex linked inheritance is called criss cross. क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस बोले गोटे इंपोर्टेंट शॉर्ट नोट आसे. तो भल मन रख क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस कौन लिखा. फादर सन ग्रैंडसन, मदर डॉटर granddaughter. Okay, now the trait of the father is transmitting to the daughter and then to grandson to the next generation. Okay, this sort of inheritance is called diagynic inheritance. Okay, देखो लिखी. The trait of the father is transmitting to the daughter, which will be a carrier, and then to the grandson. Criss cross, that means it is transmitting to F1 generation, which will be a carrier, and then to grandson. Male transmit the trait to the male through the opposite sex, that is daughter. तो से कहती स्कीप जेनेरेशन इनहेरिटेंस. स्कीप करिगला गोटे जेनेरेशन को स्कीप करिगला. मेल ट्रांसमिट द ट्रेट टू मेल थ्रू द कैरियर डॉटर, एंड दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस इज कॉल्ड diagynic inheritance. Okay, another one, father, then son, then grandson, mother, daughter, granddaughter. Here the trait of the mother is transmitting to the son and then to granddaughter in the F2 generation. Here also the character of the female mother is transmitting to granddaughter through opposite sex in F1 generation. गोटे जेनेरेशन को स्कीप करिगला से स्कीप जेनेरेशन इनहेरिटेंस. डियर स्टूडेंट, you should understand very minutely this concept, very important concept, criss cross inheritance or skip generation inheritance, because the trait of one sex transmitting to same sex through opposite sex in F1 generation. Okay, trait is transmitting to F2 generation of same sex through opposite sex, which will be a carrier in F1 generation. That is why it is known as skip generation inheritance or criss cross inheritance. ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे लिखिली इटा कौन कहती इटा कहती डाइएंड्रिक इनहेरिटेंस. दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइएंड्रिक इनहेरिटेंस. तो ये जो इनहेरिटेंस है गोटे हूँ डायगैनिक इनहेरिटेंस आ गोटे हूँ डाइएंड्रिक इनहेरिटेंस. दिस टू आर क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस. ये दुईटा हूँ क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस. आउ दुईटा इनहेरिटेंस अच्छी गोटे हूँ होलांड्रिक इनहेरिटेंस आ गोटे हूँ होलोगाइनिक इनहेरिटेंस. कौन से थर्ड टाइप देखा दैट इज होलांड्रिक इनहेरिटेंस. See, in holandric inheritance, the character of the father directly transmitted to the son, or you can say character of male is transmitted to male. Holandric gene mu koichi Y-linked genes are known as holandric gene, and these are transmitted from father to son or male to male because of absence of Y chromosome in female. Holandric inheritance. Example, hypertrichosis of your penis. Now fourth one is hologynic inheritance. Here trait of the mother is directly transmitted to the daughter. Trait of the mother directly transmitted to daughter. Okay, or you can say female to female. Female to female गला ना mother रू daughter गला है. तो इटा हूँ कौन इटा हूँ होलोगाइनिक इनहेरिटेंस. ये जो दीटा इनहेरिटेंस कली होलांड्रिक इनहेरिटेंस आ गोटे होलोगाइनिक इनहेरिटेंस. दीज आर नॉट फॉलोइंग क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न. दीज आर नॉन क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस. ये दीटा हूँ हम लिख परिबा non criss cross inheritance. आपको कोई बात non criss cross. Okay, there are four important characteristics I have explained. One is digynic inheritance, second one is diandric inheritance, third one is holandric inheritance, fourth one is hologynic inheritance. Okay, important character. Another important character 5. See, in case of the sex-linked inheritance, the male is maximally become the sufferer. In case of hemizygous condition, in hemizygous condition, the male will become the sufferer. What is hemizygous? You see, X and Y. Okay, so the X chromosome रे गोटे recessive gene अच्छी, तारा Y chromosome रे तारा allele टा नहीं. Because of absence of allele in Y chromosome, this condition will be known as hemizygous condition. But if in case of female, you see, in case of female, homozygous condition will be the diseased. Homozygous condition, that means X and XC. This is heterozygous condition. heterozygous condition means x এই তিনটা কন্ডিশন को লক্ষ্য করো এই হোমোজাইগস কন্ডিশন মিন্স এটি ফিমেলটা কোণ হব ফিমেলটা ডিজিজ হব হোমোজাইগস কন্ডিশন রে ফিমেলটা ক্যারিয়ার হব ফিমেল উইল বিকম দি ক্যারিয়ার ইন হেট্রোজাইগস কন্ডিশন বট মেল উইল বিকম দি ডিজিজ ইন হেমিজাইগস কন্ডিশন এটা আমি ডিসকসন করিবা হিমোফিলিয়া যেটা নেবা এক্সাম্পল নেবা সেইটা আমি ডিসকসন করিবা কিন্তু ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্যাট হেমিজাইগস हेमिजाइगस माने गोटे रिसेसिव जीन अच्छी ता आलिलटा वाई क्रोमोजोम नाही one recessive gene in present in X chromosome which is not having allele in Y chromosome that is hemizygous जेहेतु तारा allele Y chromosome नाही that is why the male maximally suffered from the sex linked than that of the female क्यों जेहेतु एटी कोन ना देखो दीटा को रिसेसिव allele अच्छी दीटा X chromosome रे that is why the female will suffer less than the male whenever both the X chromosomes are having recessive allele. And here in case of female, one X chromosome is having recessive allele. That is the heterozygous condition. That is why this particular female will become the carrier. कारण तर आउटे जीन थियो maybe in dominant form. आउटे X chromosome dominant form जीन थियो तेणु सेत पे एटा carrier एटा होची disease एटा disease. तो सेत पे कहली sex linked disorder is most appearing in male individual than that of female because in case of the male individual there will be absence of allele in Y chromosome. Okay, and female suffer from the disease in homozygous condition. Female will become the carrier in heterozygous condition, but the male will become the disease in hemizygous condition. What are the other characteristics? आउ मध्य गुड़े characteristics अच्छी कौन से कि sex inheritance रा कौन character देखिबा this sex linked inheritance also provides us information regarding the arrangement of regarding the presence of gene in the chromosome regarding the pattern of inheritance of sex linked character. Sex linked inheritance also let us know regarding the past, present and future genetical disorders. Sex linked inheritance also let us know regarding the gene therapy technology. We can devise some technology out of that by studying the pattern of the inheritance. Okay. Most of the sex linked disorders are recessive. Of course some sex linked disorders are present in dominant form kete gude sex linked disorder modhya dominant form re achi but most of these sex linked disorders are recessive and male suffer mostly from the sex linked disorder. Mostly sex linked disorder may be lethal to individual ta mane kon sex linked disease re may bade individual mori jai pare. Most of the sex linked disorders are very much lethal to individual as the organism or individual dies. से इंडिविजुअल मरी जाई पारे बुझ पालो कि नहीं लिथाल तो एन गुडे कैरेक्टर अछि मोस्ट ऑफ द रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर्स आर देयर बट सम सेक्स एंड कैरेक्टर्स आर प्रेजेंट व्हिच आर expressed in dominant form. Okay, after the characteristics another thing we have taken an example that is hemophilia. आमे देखिबा hemophilia रे केमती इनहेरिटेंस होछि. Hemophilia कौन प्ले non coagulation of blood before normal clotting time is known as hemophilia. जदि blood clotting normal clotting time भितरे न हुए that is called hemophilia and hemophilia otherwise known as bleeder disease. Hemophilia, okay, non coagulation of blood in during normal clotting time. If blood will not coagulate, non-coagulation of blood during normal clotting time is called hemophilia. Hemophilia otherwise known as bleeder disease. Bleeder's disease. It was first studied in Royal Family of England That is why it is also known as royal disease, Rajokiyo disease, royal disease. Okay, hemophilia was first observed by John C. Otto 1803. Okay, and hemophilia, why it is there? Hemophilia कौन ପାଇଁ हुए? You know, there are many clotting factors controlling blood coagulation. तुम पढ़िଛ फर्स्ट ईयर रे क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर्स सब अछि. फैक्टर 1 फाइब्रिनोजेन, फैक्टर 2 प्रोथ्रोम्बिन, फैक्टर 3 थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन, फैक्टर 4 कैल्शियम, फैक्टर 5 प्रोएसिलेरिन, फैक्टर 6 एसिलेरिन, फैक्टर 7 प्रोकन्वर्टिन, फैक्टर 8 एंटी हीमोफिलिक ग्लोबुलिन, फैक्टर 9 क्रिसमस फैक्टर, फैक्टर 10 स्टुअर्ट फैक्टर, फैक्टर 11 प्लाज्मा थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिन एंटीसीडेंट, फैक्टर 12 that is Hezman factor, and factor 13 that is fibrin stabilizing factor. There are 13 factor out of which factor 6 was deleted. तो ये जो फैक्टर गुड़ा अच्छे ब्लड क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर, दीज आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय जीन, दीज आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय डोमिनेंट जीन ऑन एक्स क्रोमोसोम. ब्लड क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर कहाँ द्वारा कंट्रोल हुए? डोमिनेंट जीन ऑफ एक्स क्रोमोसोम. एंड इफ सच जीन विल बिकम रिसेसिव, then the blood clotting factors will not be formed, and if any of the factor will not be formed, that is leading to hemophilia, because you know intrinsic, extrinsic and common pathway, cascade theory, all the factors are linked, bringing about the coagulation of blood. तो से blood clotting factor जोड़ा अच्छी, these are controlled by dominant gene, and if such factors will not be there, then what will happen? This cascade theory or the intrinsic, extrinsic and common pathway will not about to happen, and that is leading to hemophilia. Okay, hemophilia को study कले किए ना John C. Otto, and later on Halden also made pedigree analysis of that. Halden made pedigree analysis of hemophilia, and frequency of hemophilia, frequency in male ले कितने हुए ना 1 in 7,000 to 10,000. मेल ले अधिका हुए. फीमेल ले फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन? इन केस ऑफ फीमेल 1 in 1 crore. Okay, 1 in 1 crore frequency in male and frequency in female. So hemophilia is more prevalent in case of the male than that of the female. Okay, there are 3 forms of hemophilia. Mainly और 3 4 5 5 प्रकार भी है पारे, कि 3टा फॉर्म लेउछि. hemophilia A, hemophilia A, this is due to absence of clotting factor, absence of clotting factor 8. That is anti-hemophilic globulin. Then second one is hemophilia B, due to absence of clotting factor 9, that is Christmas factor. Third होची hemophilia C, that is due to absence of clotting factor 11, that is PTA, plasma thromboplastin antecedent. And this hemophilia is autosomal. इटा सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल नुहे. एटा मन रखिबो, hemophilia C टा किंतु सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल नुहे. hemophilia C is autosomal. autosomal कैरेक्टर द्वारा सेटा एक्सप्रेस करे, किंतु hemophilia A, hemophilia B आर सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल. एटा मध्ये आहुरी मध्ये hemophilia टाइप अछि. absence of clotting factor 5 ता द्वारा मध्ये गोटे hemophilia हुए. बुझि परलो कि नै? जाना कहीं कि hemophilia A, this hemophilia A, this is the majority type of hemophilia. It is otherwise known as classic hemophilia. क्लासिक हिमोफिलिया कहती दिस इज द मेजर टाइप ऑफ हिमोफिलिया हिमोफिलिया बी जोटा अच्छी कहती हिमोफिलिया बी अदरवाइज नोन एज क्रिसमस डिजीज Hemophilia C, that is the rarest type of hemophilia. Okay, एटा सब अधिका हुए क्लासिक हिमोफिलिया, एटा कोनी क्रिसमस डिजीज, एटा होचे रेयरेस्ट टाइप, एटा ऑटोजोमल. ओके, नाउ स्टडी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न. तले हिमोफिलिया जोटा अछि तारा इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न केमती अछि. आम तीनटा केस प्ले देखा मैरेज बिटवीन फास्ट देखा मैरेज बिटवीन नॉर्मल मेल विथ कैरियर वोमेन. केस 1 वी स्टडीड द इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न केमती हिमोफिलिया ट्रांसमिशन हैला. मैरेज बिटवीन normal man and carrier woman. एटी लिखिबा हम पेरेंट सी पी माने पेरेंट. ओके, नॉर्मल मैन आम लिखिबा एमती एक्स वाई. ओके, कैरियर वोमेन कैरियर टा होची एक्स हिमोफिलिया एक्स ऊपर एच दवा नोटेशन एक्स एच एक्स देखले कलर ब्लेंड पई एक्स पर सी दवा हिमोफिलिया पई एक्स ऊपर नोटेशन दवा एच एक्स एच माने होची रिसेसिव जीन अछि सेही एक्स क्रोमोसोम रे रिसेसिव जीन अछि सेत पई एक्स ऊपर एच दियाला. ना दिस इज इज एक्स वाई कोन दिस इज normal man, this is carrier woman cross reproduction. तापर पी पर कौन हो गामेट सी एक्स दीटा स्पर्म है दी प्रकार स्पर्म गोटे एक्स आ वाई कैरियर रे कौन दी प्रकार ओभम हम गोटे हूँ एक्स एच आ गोटे एक्स ओभम है. तापर अच्छी F1 जनरेशन माने ऑस्प्रिंग्स तो कंबाइन कर दबा. वर्तमान चेकर वर्तमान जानिछ कंबाइन केमती होची मेंडलिज्म रे कंबाइन कर दबा गामेटिक कॉम्बिनेशन लिखिले कंबाइन करिबा. देखो गामेट कोन हबो अनुसार ए लोग x एडे होची y हियर एक्स एच एक्स कंबाइन कर दो एटी एक्स एच एक्स एक्स एच वाई एक्स 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 वाई. ठीक अच्छे एक्स वाई एक्स एच एक्स एक्स एच एक्स एक्स एच वाई एक्स 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 वाई. तो देखो रिजल्ट कौन है रिजल्ट चार्टा बाहर ऑस्प्रिंग है एक्स एच एक्स ये लिखा रिजल्ट है. ये जो एक्स एच एक्स होची सेटा कौन एटा होची कैरियर एटा होची कैरियर डॉटर तले वन कैरियर डॉटर एक्स एच वाई टा होची हिमोफिलिक सन वन हिमोफिलिक सन. ओके, पुणे अच्छी वन नॉर्मल डॉटर आउट अच्छी वन नॉर्मल सन. ओके, ताले रेशियो केते पाइले आमे रेशियोटा कैरियर देखिबा एंती कैरियर इज टू नॉर्मल इज टू हिमोफिलिक. कैरियर केते पाइले हमें कैरियर टा अछि 1 नॉर्मल टा दीटा 2 हिमोफिलिक होछि 1 1 is to 2 is to 1. ओके, दिस इज केस 1. तले एट बर्तन जानि परलो केस 1 टा बर्तन केस 2 देखिबा. ओके केस 2 लिखवा मैरिज बिटवीन hemophilic man and normal woman लिख दो पेरेंट ये तीनटा केस प्ले इंपोर्टेंट भलरे मन रखिबो नॉर्मल हिमोफिलिक मैन होची XHY हैला नॉर्मल वुमेन टा होची XX पेरेंट पर गैमेट एटा लिखिबा हमें हिमोफिलिक मैन नॉर्मल वुमेन गैमेट आसीबो गोटे होची XH फॉर्म आसीबो आ गोटे Y नॉर्मल वुमेन ने कोटी प्रकार ओभम X वाला ओभम देन F1 जनरेशन टा जो ऑफस्प्रिंग F1 जनरेशन माने ऑफस्प्रिंग कंबाइन कर दो चेकर बोर्ड साहाय्य रे ओके ये देखे देबा हमें मेल गैमेट फीमेल गैमेट XH Y XX कंबाइन कर दबा XHX XY XHS XY तो बर्तमान रिजल्ट कौन पाइले एठी देखो ये जो दीटा केस अच्छी एटा अच्छी कैरियर डॉटर टू कैरियर डॉटर आउ अच्छी टू नॉर्मल सन ताले रेशियो कौन केते देखिबा रेशियो कैरियर इज टू नॉर्मल 2:2 माने इज इक्वल टू 1:1 ओके एटा हला लास्ट केस देखिबा केस 3 टा तीनटा केस कर दो तार बुझे देबी केस 3 मैरिज between hemophilic man and carrier woman ताले बर्तमान देखिबा एडी पेरेंट्स hemophilic man रो जीनोटाइप टा कोन हबो XHY वुमेन होची XHX ओके तले गैमेट कोन आसीबो हिमोफिलिक एटा होची कोन मैन हैला कैरियर वुमेन ओके तले गैमेट रे कोन आसे देखिबा गोटे होची XH आसला XS फॉर्म आसला आ गोटे Y फॉर्म आसला कैरियर वुमेन दी प्रकार ओभम होची गोटे होची XH ओभम आ गोटे X ओभम ओके नाउ कंबाइन कले कोन हो F1 जनरेशन चेकर बोर्ड रे कंबाइन करिबा मेल गैमेट फीमेल गैमेट एफर्ट असला XHY XHX कंबाइन कर दवा XH XH XHY XHX XY रिजल्ट कौन है देख 1 हिमोफिलिक सर्ट लिख दूची हिमोफिलिक डॉटर 1 हिमोफिलिक सन 1 कैरियर डॉटर 1 नॉर्मल सन ताले कैरियर is to normal is to hemophilic is equal to केते हबो कैरियर टा गोटे अछि hemophilic टू नॉर्मल टा गोटे अछि नै कि एटा नॉर्मल एटा हबो कैरियर एटा अछि नॉर्मल ए दीटा हला hemophilic ताले 1:1 normal टा 1 पा 1:1 hemophilic data is 2. Okay, from these three cases I have mentioned here write down here three cases. Okay, three cases have been written here, case 1 case 2 case 3. ताले वर्तमान देखो एडी कोन होची एडी कोन हमें ऑब्जर्व कले जोड देखो अछि गोटे एक्स क्रोमोसोम रे अछि जीन अच्छी रिसेसिव जीन मनकर फीमेल रे अच्छी XHX रिसेसिव जीन प्रेजेंट इन वन ऑफ द एक्स क्रोमोसोम XHX सही केस रे फीमेल डा कोन होची कैरियर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन फीमेल विल बिकम द कैरियर बट इन केस ऑफ if the recessive gene present in both the X chromosome XHXS in this condition the female will become affected or diseased. Okay, but in it a code female, but in case of male will become disease in XXY. That means if the recessive gene present in X chromosome because of presence of only one X chromosome. बुझे ओके तो यार इन्फरेन्सटा आम नेक्स्ट क्लास रे डिस्कसन करिबा दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न आई हैव डिस्कस्ड हियर द इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न ऑफ हेमोफिलिया व्हेन मैरिज बिटवीन नॉर्मल मैन takes place with carrier woman, second one marriage between hemophilic man with normal woman, third one is marriage between hemophilic man and carrier woman. Okay, I have not taken here hemophilic woman. Why? I will discuss in the next class regarding the conclusion of hemophilia. Also will discuss the inheritance pattern of color blindness. Thank you students. In next class we will discuss.